Hi everyone, it's Mr Luequee and welcome to Learning with Louquis. And today I've got a special game for you and it's called Odd One Out. And there's going to be lots of Mr Luequees in a line and you have to guess which one of them is the odd one out. It could be anything that they're wearing, it could be their hair, it could be anything. So I want you to look out and see if you can spot the odd Mr Luequee out. So let's jump into it. Okay, here are the first Mr Luequees. Which one is the odd one out? Can you explain why they are the odd one out? And your 20 seconds starts now. Correct! This one had a different t-shirt. Okay, here are the next few Mr Luequees. Can you guess which one is the odd one out and why? Your 20 seconds timer starts now. Correct! This Mr Luequee hasn't got any glasses on. Okay, I hope you're ready. Here are the next few Mr Luequees. Your 20-second timer starts now. Correct! This Mr Luequee didn't have a hat on. Okay, get ready everyone. Here are the next few Mr Luequees. It's getting a bit trickier and your 20-second timer starts now. You're correct. This Mr Luequee had different trainers on. Okay everyone, I know you got all of those right and I hope you enjoyed today's game. And if you enjoyed today's video, please click the like button and subscribe. And also click that notification bell so you know when Mr Luequee makes another video. I hope you had a good time and take care. Bye!